Hello, I hope so everyone will be fine. In this video, I will be telling how to connect an EC2 instance using your local Node.js server using SSH protocol. For that, first I will write this topic in a notepad. We will be learning how to connect an EC2 instance to an Node.js server using SSH protocol. SSH is an secure shell protocol. Secure shell protocol. Secure shell protocol. For that, we will be creating a new project of Node.js first. First, run npm init. First, run npm init and enter all these stuff. After that, you can see in a package.json install the necessary packages npm express and cores which we need must. Cores is also an optional for an initial level, but it's that we need it. Now simply we will create an entry point file and index.js. There is no start script. First we will also add a nodman package. No, okay, we can skip it for this tutorial. Start node index.js. Okay, and in index.js simply one more important thing, which is type module. Import express from express. Import cores from cores, and one library which we need for this connection, whose name is node ssh npm I. We will install it. Npm install node ssh. Before moving further, we will check its proper command from here. Node ssh npm 8. Okay, this is a command. Okay, before moving further, we will it should be ensured that you should have an EC2 running EC2 instance, and just like this, I already have one instance which I will start now. This one. I hope so you know how to create an EC2 instance. For that also I will make one video on while creating new EC2 instance. You have to create one key value pair of private key for your server known as RSA key, that is used to communicate with your this cloud EC2 instance. Just after this you should click on connect, just to know how this shell works. From here you can get your public IP, and after establishing connection, you will get this type of interface. From you can get your user name, and this, ignore this IP, this username and this public ID is important because we need it, and one path of private key, one private key which I have on some file. I will paste it here soon. Okay, now complete this. dot remaining for initial template. Listening to port 3000. Okay, and we will also add a middleware app.use course. Now we are in a condition to start the server. Just use the command npm start. The server is started, and here, as I said, we need three things. One, and host public IP address and a username and its private RSA key. Okay, these three things. Host IP address, you will get it from, this is host public IP address, this is username, and that private key you got when you sign up for, or when you create your instance. So I hope so you all will have it. Just import the package v node SSH from this. It will be used. Create an instance of SSH const SSH node SSH, and in this way. Okay, just now we will connect it. Node SSH dot connect host IP address. I pasted this, I copied this public keys pair of my instance here. Here in host we will paste the our instance public IP, which is this, and we will paste it here, and then I will have to add our instance username, which is this, which is EC2 user, and then we have to add the path to private key, this dot same file server key pair dot pem. Okay, now we are able to use it. So then, because it returns promise status, we won't be using status. You can use it to check whether it is successfully connected or not. I hope so it will connect. Restart the server because to get the recent updated changes. Oh, we should add new. Private key format server key pair dot pem. Oh, it should be private key path. Now it will be correct. Now it is working. Here, if we want to execute any command, we will add ssh dot exec command. Just add the command just like ls to list all files in the root directory. Std on every std out, run this function chunk console.log std out, and which will be chunk.toString utf-8. Okay, and in the same way for std error, Okay, the next part, we will restart the server, and you will see the output here coming from my yeah, these are the output coming from my host instance. That I run this command on my to list all file folders which are in my remote instance, and on every output it showed here. I will also run it here once. The same output desktop file new I got here. So it shows you can run any command, like if you want to run make dir a new file, it will create. We will have to restart the server, and it will be created. I hope so. It will be created. We will run ls once again, and you can see there is new file. So in this way we successfully connected our EC2 instance to connected to EC2 instance using SSH protocol. I hope so you have liked this video. I will be uploading some new market relevant content, so be connected.